To be able to help others, you first have to take care of yourself. We're going to look at a few areas of self-care today. I've had clients that I don't focus on self-care per se, but I've seen people like Clint. He lost about 62, 63 pounds. And Clint went from like 280 to 220 range, shooting to hit the 200 range. And part of one of the things that we look at is I look at 6 F's. And those 6 F's are faith, fitness, family, finances, friends, and fun. And inside that fitness piece, there's 3 things that I look at. And those 3 things are going to be exercise. How much exercise are you getting? Are you getting enough exercise today? Are you getting at least 30 minutes of exercise a day? That's what you should be striving for. An easy way to also measure this, and many of you have watches and you might have a pedometer, you might have something that measures this, and that's how many steps are you getting a day? Are you getting 10,000 steps in a day? That's a good target to shoot for because you're going to be burning calories. It's important to move every day. And then eating. I can tell you one of the biggest things that's out there that will add a lot of calories to anything you're eating is corn syrup. Yeah, corn syrup. It's in almost everything. Start looking at labels and you'll see corn syrup in here. Why is corn syrup in here? But it is one of the things that's going to add a lot of calories to what you're eating. So try to eliminate corn syrup. Another thing is look to eat in windows of time. Look to eat all your food in a 4-hour period, or maybe it's an 8-hour period, and switch around. That's called intermittent fasting. And it's really popular right now. There's a lot of books on intermittent fasting, and there's also material that you can get. If you just Google it or look at online, you can find it. But that's something that will help you with your eating. And then recovery. If you're in a high stress position, you need recovery. We all need to recover. Some of us need more sleep than others. I work with people that can get by on 5 hours of sleep. That's not the norm. Most people need at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep. And if you're training for, let's just say, a marathon, or if you're working out real hard, you might need more than 7 to 8 hours of sleep a night. You might need 9 hours of sleep. So you'll have to measure that yourself and see where you feel recovered. These are just a few ideas on well-being, and make sure that you're taking care of yourself. Like I said, if you don't take care of yourself, you can't take care of others. Thanks. Be great. For information on our coaching programs, contact me at jgarrett@theascentperformancegroup.com.